Did the World Economic Forum declare, as part of a purported campaign to promote public acceptance of pedophilia, that pedophiles will save humanity? No, that's not true. No credible evidence exists that the WEF has made any such statement. The website on which this claim appeared has a reputation for publishing fabricated and inaccurate content. The claim appeared in a January 3, 2023, article on NewsPunch titled, "World Economic Forum Declares Pedophiles Will Save Humanity." The article opened, quote, "The World Economic Forum is now calling for the decriminalization of sex with children, arguing that laws against age gap love, more commonly known as pedophilia, violate human rights." End quote. Users on social media only saw this title, description and thumbnail, quote, "World Economic Forum declares pedophiles will save humanity." News Punch. The World Economic Forum is now calling for the decriminalization of sex with children, arguing that laws against age gap love, more commonly known as pedophilia, violate human rights. End quote. A January 5, 2023, Twitter search, using the parameters, age gap love laws violate human rights, World Economic Forum, as indicated in the News Punch article, did not produce any statement from WEF's verified Twitter account that substantiated the article's claim. A search of the WEF website, using the keywords, age gap love laws violate human rights, also proved fruitless. A Google News search, using the keywords, World Economic Forum declares pedophiles will save humanity, similarly yielded no results to substantiate NewsPunch's claim. A Yandex search for the composite photo of WEF Executive Chairman Klaus Schwab featured in the News Punch article revealed that the image dated from a January 16, 2017, Fox News article titled, "Davos Forum Chief. It's important to listen to populists." The Fox News story does not contain any of the information found in the News Punch article. Lead Stories has contacted the WEF about NewsPunch's claim and will update this fact-check accordingly if a response is received. Without proof, NewsPunch alleged that the WEF ordered the mainstream media to begin pushing the narrative. The site mentions an October 5, 2014, New York Times op-ed article, titled, "Pedophilia. A Disorder, Not a Crime," by Margot Kaplan, a Rutgers Law School professor, as a supposed case in point. NewsPunch highlights a paragraph in which Kaplan notes that, without legal protection, a pedophile cannot risk seeking treatment or disclosing his status to anyone for support. Yet, beneath that paragraph, Kaplan, who specializes in criminal law, health law and sex crimes, also wrote that limitations should exist for diagnosed pedophiles' civil rights, when balanced against other individuals' needs. Quote, "There's no question that the extension of civil rights protections to people with pedophilia must be weighed against the health and safety needs of others, especially kids. It stands to reason that a pedophile should not be hired as a grade school teacher. But both the ADA and the Rehabilitation Act contain exemptions for people who are not otherwise qualified for a job or who pose a direct threat to the health and safety of others, that can't be eliminated by a reasonable accommodation. This is why employers don't have to hire blind bus drivers or mentally unstable security guards." End quote. This paragraph was omitted from NewsPunch's article. NewsPunch, formerly Your Newswire, has published hoaxes and fake news articles in the past. Their Facebook page, The People's Voice, even lost its verification checkmark over such fake news, according to a 2018 report from Media Matters for America, a nonprofit misinformation watchdog. NewsPunch's terms of use make it clear that the site does not stand behind the accuracy of any of its reporting. Quote, "NewsPunch, LLC and/or its suppliers make no representations about the suitability, reliability, availability, timeliness, and accuracy of the information, software, products, services and related graphics contained on the site for any purpose." End quote. Additional lead stories fact checks about the World Economic Forum and NewsPunch can be found here.